Okay, everyone, let's see what we are going to create. You see, its effect is nice and I think it's worth it. So let's try to create that. At first, we need a circle, a white circle. You can create a circle by holding Shift and Control, then align it middle and just simply color it white. And after that, format the shape and just give it some shadow to create this look. I'm just going to use the thing that we have already. After that, paste these three texts, 1, 2, 3. There are just three texts, nothing more important about them. But you see their texts are visible. You can just simply put that. Put the color of the text white. This is also created using Overdrive Sunset font. If you want, you can create it. It's easy, but it's up to you. Now, how we can create these shapes? This is the important part of the thing. How we can create these shapes? It's easy. You just need to create this kind of shape, okay? And after that, you need to do some modifications. It's up to shadow. You need to give them inner or outer shadow. It's up to you. And the thing you want, you see here, we gave them this shadow and also the effect from here. If I call it right, I use some of this effect here, not text effect, shape effects. No, it's all of them, the shadow. Okay, now let's create our shape. I'm going to copy them, they are ready. And after copying them, I'm going to paste them here and send them to back. Now it's time to color them up. I'm going to use this color. You see the transparency of them are different. I'm going to start with 100 transparency and make it lower. I'm going to use 25%. And for this, I'm going to use 50%. And they look amazing. So I copy them. And here I bring it back. Copy that. Bring it back. Copy that. Bring it back. And send the transition all to morph. Now let's take a look. You see, it's very pretty. If you like it, tell me in the comments. And if you need anything, just ask me. Until then.